It's very disappointing that the numbers are showing up the way they are. And I just totally fear a repeat, if not worse, the second wave than what we saw in the first.
Currently, there are 66 outbreaks at long-term care homes across Ontario. 7 of the 9 deaths reported today are residents, adding to the growing number of seniors who have died by COVID-19.
These deaths are absolutely at the feet of Mr. Ford. He is responsible for these people losing their lives because he didn't protect long-term care.
Like NDP leader Andrea Horvath, Charlene Stewart, the union president representing long-term care workers, claims no action has been taken to protect the vulnerable.
I would have to say that we are not ready. I mean, ready would have meant that they would have spent the summer providing full-time work and keeping all long-term care workers in the sector.
Here in Hamilton, an outbreak has been declared at the Dundurn Place Care Centre. A staff member has tested positive. In our surrounding areas, like most of the province, experts say the outbreaks are growing. Within the last month at the village of Tansley Woods in Burlington, there have been at least 23 COVID-19 cases, including 2 deaths. There are 5 outbreaks in Niagara. Lundy Manor is one of them. It was the scene of one of the worst outbreaks in the first wave. 18 residents died. Stewart says failures are repeating again.
We've had outbreaks in homes where the workers have found out through social media rather than their managers coming and telling them that there's an outbreak in the home.
I just want to make sure we have all the support we need in these long-term care homes.
And the Premier has called on the federal government again for help.
More Canadian Red Cross support will be deployed to a number of long-term care facilities. Seniors must be safe and well cared for, and our government stands ready to help provincial counterparts.
Ford was asked why some homes need assistance and aren't ready to handle the second wave.
There's certain long-term care homes that are needed and are in need more than others. So we're working that out, but the Red Cross is doing a great job. I want to thank the people from the Red Cross for pitching in.
Now, because he did nothing over the summer, we have these homes in outbreaks. He's got to call for help. He has to call for help again.
It wasn't until the end of September that the Premier announced the government would spend more than $52 million to add 3,700 healthcare workers to combat the second wave. And Premier Ford says the provincial and federal governments are working together to finalize details of the Red Cross deployment and what facilities they will be assisting in.